firm, eyes up, clean cut, one take. We move. Right now. Rolled in my front, glass goes in my chest. Bass hit hard, then I never look back. Sun on the dash, calm in my face. Chain of my habits, I build my pace. Traffic moves slow, I move with intent. No wasted motion, every mile got a plan. Fresh on the road, crisp in the lane. Mind on the mission, I don't chase fame. I keep it tight, I keep it clean. Small talk off, big drive energy. Engine talk low, but my thoughts go far. Every green light feel like a star. No rush for the flash, I like the proof. Step by step, I stay in the truth.
Watch me glide, stay locked in. One clear mind, one clean win. Hold that line, don't drift away. I've been built for this all day. Lane by lane, I rise. Lane by lane, I rise. Keep my pace, stay prime. Lane by lane, I rise. Alright, lane by lane, I rise. Lane by lane, I rise. Clean move, all drive. Lane by lane.
Cars roll by, still I keep calm. Pressure on the screen, but my grip stays strong. Late night work turned into today.